What up, YouTube fam? This is your boy C-Spec Kurt, man. I'm up in this thing, man, and I'm about to hit you with another review, man. We're talking about this Theragun Prime today. I just wrapped up a video on this Hypervolt by Hyper Ice, man. You can check it out. It's my previous video right here. Tell you a little bit about it, man. Let you know why I like this one a little bit more, why I like this one a little bit more than this one. But they're both awesome massagers, okay? So definitely go back and check that out.
Are you almost done?
Yeah. So go in there and wait till I'm done. Be patient. You keep interrupting me. All right. So let's get this baby out of the box right here, guys. This right here, Theragun Prime, okay? My favorite, okay? This thing got 5 speeds on this hoe. 5 of them, man. 5 of them, okay? So. All right, so both of these things come packaged very nice. All right, look at that, nice packaging. All right, this comes with 4 attachments. This one over here came with 5 attachments, okay? And again, go back and check this video out. Previous to this video, you can check all that out, man. And previous to this video, you can see where I did a review on the Theragun Mini and the Hypervolt Go, which is the smaller version of the Hypervolt, for if you're more on the go and want to be able to throw it into a bag or something like that. Okay, but these devices, they're not humongous where they're still convenient. They come with a little carrying case and everything. All right, so speaking on this one right here specifically, yes, it comes with this carrying bag. All right, so you got your 3 attachments that also come in the box. All right, you got that right there for more pinpoint precision. Got this thing right here. Got that big one right there for, you know, if you're a little softy a little bit, you know, well, more like this one right here is if you don't want to take the pain too much. It gives you a softer feel, okay, for the more sensitive areas like your neck, around your wrist, a little small, you know, the bonier areas where you still want to hit those areas and hit those muscles around those areas, okay? You got your charger right here, okay? And that's pretty much everything that comes in the box with this thing, guys. I'm gonna pull this up real quick just to see. There we go. All right, so we also have our instruction manual right here. I'm gonna take a quick look in here just to see if there's anything that they want to share with us that we're missing, okay? All right, gang, so let's check it out right here. This Therabody for the creators of the Theragun, okay? You got your warranty information. Born in Los Angeles, California. You can check them out at Therabody on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube channel. You can go there and see their content. All right, the Theragun, guys, step 1, press the center button to turn the Theragun device on. Open the Therabody app to connect your device via Bluetooth. Upon connection, LED lights on your device would flash. Start and stop your Theragun device manually. Using the center button, adjusting speed with the up and down buttons. Use your app to guide and customize your treatment. So the app is gonna give you a more customized treatment. Okay, gang, I'm yet to see what that's like because I haven't downloaded the app yet, but I will be doing so. Didn't even realize this had Bluetooth capability. All right, so that's a plus between both of these. They both have Bluetooth capabilities, okay? So I'm gonna go on the App Store. You can get down on the Apple App Store, Google App Store. I'm gonna download that app and we're gonna see what's up. And I'm gonna register my device. Register your device. And if you get it at Best Buy, purchase the warranty with it. I got a 2-year warranty for, I believe it was 50 or 60 bucks addition to the price. So that's 2 years of peace of mind. And I had that coverage on the previous 2 in the video you saw previous to this Hypervolt Plus. And guess where they at? Back at Best Buy because they just wasn't powerful as they used to be. So I had to take them back, gang. And I had to get something that's more powerful, okay? So that's what it is, man. Warranty, peace of mind. All right, personalized, intuitive, proactive, meet the Therabody app. All right, that's what that's all about. Nothing major, gang. Just a little note from somebody there that tells you about how they started doing, how they opened a business up, their story. You can read all that mess when you get your own Therabody Theragun, okay? But for the meantime, we're gonna stick that over here. Even got some letters you wanna throw down the side of your car. Theragun, be my guest. All right, so yeah, that's what that is. All right, gang, so let's go over some specs real quick of the Theragun Prime, okay? Smart features, Bluetooth connectivity, app guided, 5 speed ranges with app control, has LED indicators right here on the back of it. So this is how you turn it on. You see the LED indicators right there? Look at that, 16 millimeters of depth, gang. That thing, boom, booming. Look at that, I can't even keep it still in my arms. It's like, they wanna do what it wanna do. Okay, so that's what that is. We're gonna turn this baby off right now though. All right, so let's keep going. LED indicators, Theragun triangle, ergonomic hand design. That's what I love about this. Triangle, 3 angles, 3 different ways of holding this, man. Boom, boom, you can hold it however you want to. Get that back, look at that. Direct, up and down on the back, not like that, okay? This is what you get when you're holding on to the other one. You're not getting direct, it's at an angle. But this allows you to put it right there, up and down. That's what I like about this Theragun Prime, okay gang? So let's keep going. Proprietary brushless motor with quiet force technology. Internal lithium ion battery. 120 minutes guys, non-stop. 2 hours, you're gonna be popping the muscles, getting it in, killing flies. You're gonna be doing all that gang. 16 millimeter amplitude for deep muscle penetration, 4 easy to clean, non-porous, closed cell foam attachments, okay? Let's see, full body benefits for everybody. Quickly reduces muscle soreness and stiffness, decrease stress, increase relaxation, helps you move easier, faster warm up and recovery. That's what I'm looking for. If you're an athlete, this is what you need, gang, because you can't get a massage whenever you want to. And who's paying for massage every single day? Who got the time for that? I sure don't. We're gonna keep it going, gang. What's included? Theragun Prime, pouch, power dials, 4 attachments, dampen, standard ball, thumb, and cone. You get all of that with this, man. Ergonomic hand design, 5 speeds, 120 minutes, and the list goes on, man. This device is amazing, man. I love this device. I've been using it for the past couple nights, and talking about somebody's relaxed. Dog, your boy be feeling good, feeling real good. Yeah, I mean, I feel like I'm gonna go hit the gym today because I feel good, okay? I'm able to knock this soreness right on out, gang, and I be in that piece like, cloud 9. I'm telling you, it'd be good though. But real quick, man, let's go ahead and run through this device a little bit. Let's hit the body with it. Let's see how it makes me feel. You can see how it looks like as far as handling the device and so on. Just, you know, some general ways of checking it out. All right, so we are on speed 1, okay? So we're gonna start with a little bit of shoulders. There we go. All right, so I like this attachment. It is soft, yes, it's not too hard, so it's not hurting or anything like that, all right? Because I am very sore right here. And if I have any other attachment other than this right now, it would probably not be too comfortable, so I'm glad they give you all these different attachments to allow you to seek the comfort you're looking for, okay? Boom. One by one, gang, we're gonna get them. All right, so, yeah. And you can hit different areas, man, by altering the way that you're holding your muscle. If you wanna tighten that muscle so that you can hit it a little easier without it moving too much, you wanna hit it long like that, open that arm up, okay? Different variations, gang, different variations. Do what's comfortable for you. All right, so if you want to feel more, change that attachment out. You easily pull it out like so. And I'm gonna go with this harder one right here. Easy, it snaps right into place. And real quick, same thing with this baby here. It snaps right in. You just push it in, pull it out. The fork has a little notch that goes right there, but that's another video. You can go back and check that one out. But I didn't say much about the attachments, but there you go. All right, so we're turning the back on. I'm gonna take it up 1 speed. Ooh-wee. You feel this one a lot more, gang, a lot more. I mean, look at that depth, up and down. 16 millimeters, guys. Up and down pulsations. Open that arm up and hit that head. Hit that head, there you go. It tackles the biggest muscles with ease, I'm telling you. Get back up on these shoulders. Again, if you want to slide across it easier, man, just apply a little bit of oil, not too much, not too much. It's gonna do its thing. It's doing its thing now. Oh, that's so deep, boy. Goodness. It feels so good. I'm not even gonna lie, it feels real good. All right, so my favorite part with this, man, is the positioning, the triangle. It allows me to get my back with a direct approach, not at an angle, but directly against the back, like so. See that? Oh, shoot. Ooh, that feel good. Ooh. I don't need this to be on 2 for that. Goodness. It's hitting too hard. I'm so tight, guys. Like as far as like my muscle density, everything is like tight back there. So I'm gonna go with a more cushioned approach because everything is tight. It's like hitting bone, but it ain't bone. It's my muscle. But I'm real lean and stuff. You know, ain't no fat back there to cushion nothing. So. Yes, that feels real good. Ooh. Get right there around that neck. Whew, sheesh. Goodness. I don't know what just happened, man, but this thing is doing the do, okay? What's up, guys? And even works on kids. See, look. Look at that. Let's see. But anyway, this humidity is like, ugh. I was feeling weird.
Do it.
All right, Daddy gonna knock this out, man. All right, so gang, over here we hit this other arm. It's a little sore.
So shaky.
I
Do the
know.
muscle. So shaky.
Yep, just like, this ain't sore.
Oh, do this one.
Nah, not for this.
Who's in it?
Hmm?
Who's that one? For mommy's. Can I say mommy?
No, you check it out later. But hey, gang, as far as handling the legs or any of that, it does it with ease. This is a thigh muscle, as you can see, largest muscle in your body. Gets in there, and this is it's getting in there, man. I'm feeling like someone's getting in there and giving me a good massage. It's making me feel like I want to capture some more oxygen, you know, because when you're getting in those muscles, you're increasing blood flow. It's gonna give you better recovery times and everything. So that's what's good about massaging, and when you can apply it yourself, that's the best thing to do. All right, gang, so I had to bring that to you, man. Let you see how these things work the body, get things done. This right here is 3 pounds, not that heavy at all. All right, so still allows you to be mobile, on the go. You can throw it in the bag and keep it moving. Whew, this is an amazing device. This thing right here, $299. You can get it at your local Best Buy. And from that point on, you're on your way, smooth sailing, relaxing, applying it yourself. But in the meantime, this is your boy C-Spec Kurt. I appreciate you coming to the channel, checking out my videos. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that.
Hit the thumbs up.
Yeah, hit the thumbs up, hit that like button, man. Like, share, subscribe.
Don't do that.
We don't need that, please. Come on, don't hit the unlike button. But anyway, this is your boy, man. I'm up out of here. Peace. Yeah.
Yeah.
One.
We love you, everyone.
Yeah, come back and
We
see
love
us.
you.
And that's a wrap.
How we get?
I said, and that's a wrap.
Yeah.
Yeah.